Hello, and welcome to today's Mathcast. The intended audience is grade 3. The learning objective is to draw rows and columns to determine the area of a rectangle given an incomplete array, created by Mackenzie Whitmore. Before we begin, we'll go over some vocabulary terms. The first one is area, which is the total number of square units needed to cover a two-dimensional surface. And the next is array, an arrangement consisting of equal rows and equal columns. So, for example 1, we have write the multiplication fact. As you can see, I have a 5 by 3 rectangular shape. Now, I have this little setup here for where we can write our multiplication fact. So as we already know, there are 5 in each row of the 3. So, what would we put here? Well, you would put 5 times 3, which gives you a total of 15. There are 15 tiles altogether. Now, for example 2, we have products in an array. So, as I've drawn here, I have a couple rows of stars. How many rows are there depicted? Well, if you said 2, then you're correct. How many stars are in each row? I'll give you a second to count. Did you get the answer? Well, there's 6 stars in each row. So, to write 2 multiplication sentences, you would do 6 times 12 equals 2, and you could also do 6 times 2 equals 12. Both are correct ways of writing the answer. Now, for example 3, we have the application problem. So, Huma has 4 bags of square-inch tiles with 6 tiles in each bag. She uses them to measure the area of a rectangle on her homework. After covering the rectangle, Huma has 4 tiles left. What is the area of the rectangle? So as you can see over here, I drew out a rectangle and cut it into 4 pieces and put 6 in each one. Now above this is n, and n is the total number of tiles. It's very important to label these letters. So, you initially would take 4 times 6 equals n equals 24. Then you come over here. This is another way you could do it. Make another rectangle, and you put 6 and 4. Up here, where the number of tiles is 24. So, you take 24 minus 4 equals C, and C is the number of tiles used to cover the rectangle. C equals 20 square inches to cover the rectangle, and that's the answer. And lastly, we have example 4, which is more student practice. So, Abdul is creating a stained glass window with square-inch glass tiles as shown below. How many more square-inch glass tiles does Abdul need to finish his glass window? Explain your answer. So as you can see, he has to start it out. This is a 6 by 7. So you take 6 and 7, and you get 42. So, from this, Abdul needs a total of 42 square tiles. He already put down 12 as you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And over here, you can see that it's again cut into a rectangle, and it's G and 12. G is the number of glass tiles. So, this whole thing equals 42. 42 minus K equals G, and G equals 30. Abdul needs about 30 square inches in glass tiles. Thanks for watching.